Welcome to our Advantage Market Update. The Melbourne market continues to get some really strong results. We saw a block of Art Deco apartments in East Melbourne recently sell for nearly $900,000 over reserve price, about 44% over the reserve, which was a massive result. Just going to show that if a property has a wow factor like your Art Deco style apartments, which have timeless appeal and a great location, that we can get some really big results in the Melbourne marketplace. The Melbourne market will provide some openings this year, and I think there'll be more properties selling before auction. Last year, on average, about 12% of properties sold before auction. I think this year, as the market tends to level off a little bit, we'll see that number increase, and there's opportunities there for buyers to try and entice vendors with some strong offers before auction. The Sydney market has come back a lot, but it still had a massive result last week, where a new apartment was sold for around $43,000 a square metre, which I've never heard of a square metre rate sell that high in any marketplace. In Melbourne recently, we had a big result in Fitzroy Street, St Kilda, where some apartments sold off the plan for about $20,000 a square metre. Just going to show that Melbourne prices are still so much more affordable than our comparisons in Sydney. The building boom brings out developers, and a property boom always has developers trying to get into the marketplace, and we've seen a large supply of apartments hitting the inner suburbs markets and inner city markets since the property prices have been jumping upwards from September 2012. And we've also seen them push out to many first home buyer areas in the outer suburbs, and there's a lot of house and land package developments in those areas. Melbourne now has had about 50 new suburbs created in the last 9 years, focusing on that new apartment market and the new house and land package market. There's always a lot of talk about Chinese buyers and the influence they're having, and they are definitely preferring Melbourne real estate compared to Sydney, where recent studies have shown there that they're really liking Melbourne's schools, lifestyle and culture. It was interesting recently, John McGrath, real estate guru, came out and said that Melbourne is really an international city compared with your New Yorks and Londons, and that is one of the main reasons driving our growth is our population growth and our livability and attractability as an international city. Please don't hesitate to get on our website and have a look at the information about our group blocks purchases. Currently, we've got some opportunities in Hawthorn and Edithvale, and also our other popular services in our buyers advocacy, seller advocacy, property management and owners corporation areas. We'll see you next time.